Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have not got a new microphone, so I'm having to use the microphone off the laptop, so hopefully you can hear me. And it's really windy outside, so it's really noisy around here. So I'm here to do a project share. Um, uh, I guess if you have watched some of my videos, I have been getting these boxes. Let me just show you. Crafter's Companion off of HSN. They cost $24.95 with $5 shipping and handling each month. And this time there's 200 elements. Sometimes there's 400. There's never less than 200, and there's always a lot of stuff. Anyway, so it's 18 cards plus dies and stamps and everything. So I just wanted to show you. Uh, I haven't showed what the inside of this box looked like. I think there's a lot out there. And I know that she's going to continue doing this. Sarah with Crafter's Companion is going to do this when this box expires after we get our 12. And she's going to keep doing it. So I am so happy to hear that because each month I literally learn something new. And that's what I love about it. So let me show you the cards and show you how much stuff I have left over. I've already gifted some of the cards out. So I guess I'll put this to the side. Of course, um, I'm having to make a lot of them flat for mail. My mom even said, don't put too much bulk in them because it's costing her, I think it was costing her 71 to 95 cents uh, per envelope. So if you're sending out a lot, like at Christmas time, she sent out a lot, that can get pricey. But this is the card I made. Everything that you see came with it, except for I did ink this. Um, and the die comes in here. So there's one card. And this one I did the same way. I put the pattern paper and the cardstock and I taped it together. Then I put the die on it and ran it through. And then I did put flowers on this and flatbacks. The flowers didn't come with it, but um, that I'll have to hand give someone. Here's a purple one. Here is an easel card. And see, she sent us the easel card stuff. She sent us everything you see. And once again, I put the paper on it, ran it double so that it would have that look. And then see the back is the easel card. And I made a little, whoops, made a little pop up there. There we go. I probably should have, it's got a little bit of pop up. Mine, no, it works. There you go. See how cute that is? Here's another one. See the difference between there's no paper on this, it was just cut through and I inked it, and the other one had the paper. Here's one with purple. Here is another easel card. And see how it lays flat? And here's one more. So this is my project share. Oh, here, wait a minute, I have this one. She gave us this to make this one too. And it stands up like this. But see how cute that is? And if you want to mail it, that's pretty flat. So that's cute. So there's my cards. Hopefully you like them. And now I'll show you the kit, how much, you know, I made. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. I still have 8 to do. I'll show you the die and try to explain it. So here was the stamps that we got. There's a glare. Try to get off that glare. And here's the leftover flat backs. I haven't used a lot of the stuff. Here's the 3 packs of ribbon, piece of my hair, that I haven't even used yet. Here's the die that sits right in the middle. You run it through, and this is what you get. Here's the die. She gave us all these papers, and see, I still have a lot of papers. I have a lot of cards left over. There's a lot left over. Here's even little dies for flowers that she gave us that I didn't use. There's still packs of dies in here. There's still packs of, I mean, not packs of dies. There's still packs of cardstock and paper, acetate, and boxes. We can make boxes. So there's so much in here that I haven't even used yet. And so what I did, and here's one just making it out of my own paper, and so that you could see it, let me put the paper there. So this is what it would look like using your own paper. All you do is stick the die and it cuts it through. And what I did was I made the template for these papers to go all one sheet and cut it out with a X-Acto blade. But after doing that, I ended up finding a square die that fit in the middle. So I ended up using a square die after my last one I think I used. So if you're not buying, this is the best kit box on the market. If you're not buying it, or if you don't know about it, you need to look into it, because there are a few left of, not month to month, but 1 box here, 1 box there to buy on HSN. I think it went up to $29 instead of $24 that we're paying, but it's still such a good buy. But yeah, I've been crafting, and I just wanted to show y'all that I've been crafting and having fun and everything. So I hope you like. I'm gonna have to put a better stopper on that one, I think. I hope you like what I've made, and yeah, thank you for stopping by. So if you would like, please subscribe. I try to make videos as often as I can, but I do work and I'm really busy, but I'm sneaking in. It's like 4:30 in the morning and I'm making a video before the day gets started. My day has started. Here we are. If you ring the bell, it tells you when I make a video, because I can't say I'm going to be here every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday. So yeah, and all my links are down below. I have Glue Gun Chronicles is a group on Facebook where there's about 1,000 people in there, and we do all the sharing and all kind of ideas. So if you could join that, that would be great. And thank you so much for stopping by. And yeah, caring is sharing. Have a blessed day.